Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 XT XTR cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4743. This shape runs from the 7th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. The new 4J33 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille, factory bull bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door also appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a tip top the equipment alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, rear bumper bar, non-park sensor type, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear factory alloy mag in a 17-inch with a good tyre, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with all cruise control and audio buttons. And we also have the power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.